Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to Soberish. So guys, are you ready for a color-changing magical cocktail which we like to call the Ginnie and Tonic? First up, let's get our special infusion bottle. This is the same infusion bottle which we used for the Sour Punk infusion in our Sour Attack video, which I'll link somewhere up above. For this video, we'll be infusing some sun-dried butterfly pea flowers inside the gin so that we get the color-changing gin. Okay, you can find this blue tea somewhere on Amazon. I'll keep the link for that in the description below. Now let's get to the adding. Now let's wait for the infusion to happen.
One eternity later.
So this infusion process is very slow. I'm sure you saw a little bit of it, but we don't have time for anything else. So let's just shake it now. Can you see this slightly blue and violet color? It looks very nice though. Let's add this in a margarita glass. Add on top of this some tonic water. Could you see the color change? It changed from blue to completely purple. Hey, maybe we can call it the purple martini. Now let's just garnish this beautiful drink with a lemon wheel. There you have it, the Ginnie and Tonic, the color-changing special gin. So if you enjoyed this special magical and beautiful looking Ginnie and Tonic, definitely subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Until next time, cheers.